Hello everyone, welcome to Human Nest channel. Today I am again going to show you a very nice and luxurious 2BHK flat. The project is a township project located at the prime location of Panvel, but many people have this question: how is Panvel for property investment? I try to answer this question for you guys.
Panvel is one of the prime location to own a home in Navi Mumbai. It has promising social and physical infrastructure and an emerging neighborhood. Few benefits of staying in this locality. Upcoming Navi Mumbai says 15-minute drive, Shevri Nava Seva Sea Link 20 minutes drive. Panvel is also emerging as an upcoming commercial destination owing to the decent connectivity, good, exciting and upcoming infrastructure, proximity to key job hubs and the development of Navi Mumbai International Airport. It also shares accessibility with key employment center of Belapur, Nerul, Vashi, Kalamboli and Taloja. Upcoming commercial projects such as Navi Mumbai Special Economic Zone and Hiranandani Business Park are close to Panvel and are expected to boost the real estate demand in the region.
So I will explore the luxurious 2BHK flat of Sai World City Panvel. If you wanna to live next to Panvel JNPT highway with beautiful view, come check this.
This premium residency project provides a multitude of amenities like gymnasium, fully air-conditioned lobby, an amphitheater, a swimming pool, a clubhouse and lush green, a massive garden amongst many other. All the room design in this project will have branded features and fittings. One can enjoy a life filling with luxuries in this premium apartment in the city of dreams. The Sai World City project consists of the total of 728 residential blocks and is spread across the area of 8 acres. The project comprises a total of 4 well-executed and elite towers that provide a scenic view to its residents. The floor plan of Sai World City 2BHK flat with a built-up area of 713 square feet to 1500 square feet, 2 bedrooms, kitchen, living and dining area, 2 toilets, 2 balconies. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting your dream home with a very beautiful 2BHK flat. This is your entrance with video calling door. This is your living area which you can decorate in your own way. In front you get a beautiful sun deck from where the view outside is of tennis court. Dining area and you have got kitchen on your left side. In the kitchen you get platform on the both side. On one side there is a working platform, on the other side there is a serving platform. You get fitting with hot top chimney and gas stove and water purifier. You also get a dry balcony in the kitchen. Moving forward, you got powder room. The quality of all the fitting and tiles is excellent. And this is your stylish wash basin area. Here is your bedroom number 1, attached smart size beautiful balcony. Have you ever seen such a stylish bedroom before? As you comes out in your balcony, you have this amazing view of long tennis court in which you can watch your loved one playing. Finally, this is your second bedroom. This is master bedroom, comes with on attached stylish washroom. The washroom is divided into 2 parts by a glass partition. The shower area looks very luxurious. The color combination of the tiles is wonderful. Now moving to bedroom, and here you get the wooden pattern floor and a smart size lovely window. The height from floor to roof of flat will be 10.5 feet. In this flat you get wallpaper, water purifier, hot top chimney, gas stove, wooden floor, all this inbuilt. No extra charge will be taken from you. To buy such a beautiful flat, call on the number given in the description. This is not just a house of four walls. It is the happiness of your near and dear ones. So call now and book happiness. If you like this video, then subscribe the channel and like and share the video.